Takagi is a Japanese company. We are a manufacturer of ophthalmic equipment, and Takagi Europe is the head office on behalf of Takagi Seiko in Japan. Now, what Takagi has done is taken two traditional products in the market and made them more user-friendly. So the slit lamp microscope is used for diagnosis and analysing the eye in much more detail. The ophthalmic microscopes are used for cataract surgery and also retinal surgery. So being at Citylabs has been invaluable for our business. Originally we were based at Manchester Science Park. Now MSP supported us in the move and they offered us this location in 2015 and we just jumped at the chance. To be based in the original Manchester Royal Eye Hospital building was invaluable for the business. Manchester was a no-brainer for us. There's almost endless supply. The logistics, receiving shipments inwards and outwards, the access to the airport. We can have a direct flight anywhere within Europe within a few hours. So for us to work closely with our network of European distributors, it was the best place to be.